Hira Ram, everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, today we are making a potato vegetable, a simple, home style potato dish that pairs beautifully with rotis, puris, or even dosas. The ingredients for the same include boiled potatoes, sliced long onion, green chilies, ginger paste, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, turmeric powder, chaat masala, fenugreek seeds, salt, asafoetida, chana dal, oil, and coriander powder. First, place a kadhai on the gas and add some oil. Now add fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, ginger paste, curry leaves, chana dal, asafoetida, and turmeric powder. Let everything saute for a while and now add the sliced onions. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and chaat masala and mix all this well. Next, add the boiled potatoes and coriander powder. Make everything come together by mixing them gently. Add a little bit of water and cover the pan until the flavors are well blended. And that's it. Your simple and homely potato vegetable is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy it with love. If you like this recipe, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, we will be back again with another delicious recipe very soon. Sai Hira Ram.